Hello student. Now I will explain the question number 14 of exercise 5.1 and see the page number 103. Figure is this one. Yes. Question number 1. Angle obtuse and vertically opposite. Obtuse means what? Obtuse means more than 90 degree and vertically opposite. Here you see this angle AOD and BOC. Both angles are vertically opposite and both angles are more than 90 degree. Therefore, our answer is this AOD and BOC. Now, next question number 2. Adjacent and complementary angle. Adjacent and complementary angles means adjacent means what? Which have a common vertex, common arm. Yes, and complementary means sum of the angle is 90 degree. That means adjacent complementary means what? Which have common vertex and common arm and sum of this angle is angle is 90 degree. Therefore, here we see BOA and AOE, which is the sum of this angle is 90 degree, and BOA and AOE is the complement also. Next, see the question number 3. Equal and supplementary angles. Supplement means sum of the angle is 180 degree and supplements angles are both are equal. Okay, here we see BOE is the what? 90 degree, and EOD means what? 90 degree. That means BOE and EOD both are equal, and sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Yes, therefore our answer is BOE and DOE. Now see the next question number 4. Unequal supplementary angle. Unequal, supplement means sum of the angle is 180 degree, but unequal, that means supplement angles are not equal. Okay, here we see AOE and EOC. Both are sum of this angle are 180 degree, but AOE and EOC not equal. Another angle is AOB and AOB or BOA or BOA and BOC. Sum of this angle is 180 degree and both are not equal. Next is BOC and COD also supplementary but unequal angle. Another is AOD and DOC. You see again this one time again. I explain this one. AOE and EOC. AOE and EOC. Both are sum of this angle are 180 degree, but both they are not equal. Now AOB and BOC. AOB and BOC. This also is the sum of this angle is 180 degree but non-equal. Now BOC and COD. BOC and COD. this also sum of this angle is 180 degree but not equal. And another next is AOD and DOC. Okay. Now see the next question number 5. Adjacent angle do not form a linear pair. Adjacent means what? Adjacent means which have a common vertex and common arm and two non-common arm. And linear pair means same things, but linear pair difference is that linear pair sum of the angle must be 180 degree. That means adjacent angle may not be, sum of the angle may not be 180 degree, but linear pair angle must be 180 degree. Here adjacent but not linear pair. That means what? Angle which have a common ray and common arm, but sum of the angle is not 180 degree. So AOB and AOE is the linear pair. Okay. Another is AOE and EOD. They are also linear adjacent but not linear pair. That means not sum of the angle is not 180 degree. And next is EOD and DOC. Okay.